All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Has everybody noticed that your back is feeling better? You don't have that headache that you were having before. You're in a much better mood. And you don't think the stock market has anything to do with your daily outlook on life? Did you just have a little bit of an extra skip in your step today? Probably so. Everybody likes to see a rally day, right? Everybody likes to see a rally day. Better than that, though, is a rally day when you anticipate it and you are at a decision point, right? We call this decision point trading because we look for areas where the market might have a tendency to make decisions. And we were at a very important decision point right here, right? So let's come in here with our little Fibonacci ruler. We're going to go from the top of that trend to the bottom of this trend. We're going to slide that baby over and we're going to see where that delta cone of probability was, right? And it was right there, right there. One standard deviation, delta cone of probability, right dead center. And we had to make a decision today. It was like, well, we didn't make it today, but they did. They made it today. That market took off today. And it could have come down here, done another one of these things, right? Could have done, but it didn't. Not yet, anyway. Doesn't mean it's not going to do that. There's always the game that's being played. It's a carnival game, right? So right now, that's the high, that's the peak. You can go up there and get everybody all excited, get you all in, and then flush it. So be careful. And if you're like, oh no, I missed my opportunity to buy on the drawback. Well, maybe, maybe not. We'll have to wait and see because we need this thing to break above there and hold above that high. All right, that's the rule. Everything we do has rules. We made and established rules for every situation, almost every situation that these markets can do. So always keep in mind that there's always an ulterior motive behind everything that's going on here. And if you think it all has to do with, oh, the news this, oh, the news that, I got a bridge over troubled waters to sell you, buddy. Buddy. All right. So anyway, good news today, and there is the possibility that this could be the bottom with a little ABC pattern in here, and we're breaking that right now. So let's come in here and draw our head and shoulders in there because that'll be the most important thing we can do. We're going to go off this little left shoulder right here, come up here to the neckline, down here to the head, up here to the neckline, right in there, down here to the right shoulder, as if we've never drawn that picture before, right? How many times have we drawn this in the last few weeks? So there, oh man, I deleted the wrong one. You dumb little nincompoop. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you got that natural trend line right down the top of those bars. See that? See how that works? Just like a train on rails. And we broke the neckline today. All right. So we broke the neckline today. The other important step is to break that previous high. We need it to break that previous high, and not only break it, it needs to close above it. All right, it needs to close above it. So we need to have another bar tomorrow. That's what we need. We need another bar tomorrow. Goes up there and holds above it, closes above it. We got to have the close be above that line right there. Have I said that enough times? All right. The problem is then that's oftentimes where it flushes. It comes all the way back down to the 50, 61, 38.2, which would be 61.8 here because I got upside down. So all the way back down here. So we have to be careful. Be careful. And if you're like, oh no, I missed it. Buy, be careful. Because you're going to probably have another opportunity to get in at a lower price than what it is right now. All right. So not that I mean it could. It could go without you. And then Lynn, you made me wait and I missed it. And it went all the way to the moon straight up without me. Well, there is that chance. The market can do anything it wants. But usually it's BlackRock can do anything it wants. Remember, we are just reverse engineering the mathematical models of the BlackRock Aladdin trading system. All right, there it is. That's what we got going. Pretty good, pretty good. We're pretty happy. Nobody woke up with that. They looked at their phone. They saw they made money today. They're not having a headache, right? You're back. You crawled out of bed and your back didn't hurt nearly as bad as it did yesterday. All right. So let's go in. Let's do a little day trading today. We got a very moving, volatile day. I know that I said on the little marquee I was going to update my UBI portfolio. I'm going to show you the the income we've made and see where we're at with our UBI. We'll do that, but we're going to go do a little day trading first while the morning bell's still hot and ready. And then we'll go over, after we get done doing a little day trading, we'll go over and update our spreadsheet, and we'll see how our universal basic income portfolio is doing, our dividend portfolio. All right, so hold on. Let's come in here. And let's go home on the little FinViz here, and we're going to go over to, look at all the green. That's pretty nice. Oh, look, Johnson & Johnson's having a little struggle there. And Abbott, of course, we have Abbott. Isn't that what we're trading with our, yeah, no, Bristol Myers. So I think Bristol Myers is up. PG. Oh, poor little KO, little Peppy. They're having a little problem today. That's our soda pop companies. All right, so let's come in here. Let's click on this. Come over here to bubbles. We want to go to bubbles. And oh, look at this. Oh yeah, look at all the bubbles. Let's go. Come in here, make them volume. All right, who's the biggie? That's NVIDIA. NVIDIA back up again today. Good for you, NVIDIA. All right, Palantir breaking all-time highs. Not all-time highs. Breaking above the head and shoulders. That's good. We should go look at Palantir. Where's Tesla? Tesla's breaking higher, just like we anticipated. All right, so Ford Motor Company. So we put a bunch of money into Tesla while it's down there in the accumulation stage. We put a whole bunch of money into Palantir, right? SMCI. We've even got a little bit of money in Supermicro. So that's good. Like to see that thing running like that. We got Palantir over here. Let's go look at Palantir right now. PLTR right there. That baby's taken off. There's our little head and shoulders. We drew that yesterday. So it didn't get the drawdown that we were looking for on this right shoulder. It just took off. That's good. We like that. Man, we don't need to have drawdowns. We don't need them. Nope, we don't need them. If it doesn't want to do it, don't make it do it. Okay, so that little right shoulder came in right there at the little shallow light right shoulder. That's good. I thought it might come in a little deeper, back down to the one standard deviation, but since it didn't, I'm not going to complain. No complaints here. All right, so let's come in here to a 1 minute chart and see how this thing's doing. Oh, we might have, look at that. There's our key. There's your 5 o'clock in the morning key right there. That thing tells you we're going to go long today. Just want to let you know. All right, that's your little giveaway right there, guys, for day trading the stock market. When you get that at 5 a.m. and it's a big bar like that, be ready for a big breakout on the open. All right, just saying. Happens almost every time. I have seen times where we get a big bar up like that, and then the market flushes on the open. I don't know why it would do that. It makes no sense to me. This makes sense to me. All right, but look at how volatile this thing is. Man alive, up and down all over the place. Holy cow. We got too many lines on the screen. Let's get rid of good old Donchian. And moving averages. That's the VWAP. We'll leave that one. How many moving averages does a guy got a half? We're okay. All right. Then we got the bulls and bears breaking right here. So we're in a little bit of an accumulation stage right here. Think we're going to go one more run? Do you think we're going to go one more run? Look at that flat top coming in there. It's trying to go, isn't it? So we can come in here, chart overlay. I like the ATRs. Ooh, that's a little rough. Let's turn on Heiken Ashies. Oh, that's better. All right, come in here, trade. Let's blow it up so you guys can see it a little better. All right. All right. Are we going to stay above that yellow dot? That's what I want to know. Okay. Let's see. No, here we come. We're going to crack. Crack it. Crack it. Do you think it's going to come all the way back down to the one cone of probability, delta? You think it's going to come all the way back down there? Who knows? Nobody knows. We would expect it to have a little bit of an ABC pattern, right, before it shot back up again, like this. Maybe down to 38.2. We'll see. Well, that's no fun. We didn't catch the breakout. Hang on there, guys. Let's see if we can figure out what to do here. This isn't going to be. Oh, look at that. Look at those bars. Holy cow. Those are ugly. Look at all those topping and bottoming tails. Let's see. All right, let's go look at something else. Ford. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart on Ford. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, fluffed. Look at that. Big old 5 o'clock marker. And then look at that thing flushing back down. Wow. Turn on Heiken-Ashi. Wow, wow, wow. What's it doing? All right, you got to do it sometimes. I know you have to do it. You have to come over and you have to look at the news. What the hell's going on at 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock a.m., new home sales. Forecast to be 0.68 for census, previous 0.67. Actual is 0.724, and the news flushes like a toilet. How many times have we seen that? Good news! It wasn't good enough news. I wrote an article about this in Pitt News Magazine. You guys have got to see the article in Pitt News Magazine. It's going to blow your dress up. All right. It's a really good article. Actually, yeah, it's a really good article. But the one that I wanted you to see is based on the news, which is partially written in this month's coming up issue. But I wrote a bigger article and I couldn't put it in this month. This month was over. I wrote a big article about the news, all about the news. It's a really good article, but it's not going to be until June. It's going to be in the June issue. Can you believe that? We're already writing articles for the June issue. Pitt News Magazine? What's Pitt News Magazine? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. You don't know what Pitt News Magazine is.
Hey everyone, it's Claire here. Are you ready to take your trading knowledge to the next level? Welcome to Pitt News Magazine, your trusted source for trading intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this magazine delivers the insights you need to stay ahead of the market. Featuring articles from experts like Dr. Scott Brown, Aidan Gray, myself, and of course Mr. Land Turner. Pitt News brings you exclusive strategies, deep dives into market psychology, and powerful trading techniques. Find out about the exponential power of growth, seasonal trading secrets, and even Land's latest wild eye, crazy eye iron butterfly strategy. Each issue is packed with expert trading strategies, top stock picks, key seasonal trading insights, and comprehensive analysis of commodity futures and ETFs. You'll also find tips on technical analysis, option strategies, and much more. No matter your trading interests, we've got you covered. And the best part? You can learn your way. Listen to each recorded article, read the full in-depth lessons, or watch our video breakdowns. It's trading education on your terms. Right now, we're offering a special deal. Get your first full year of Pitt News for only $19.97. That's 50% off the regular price. 12 issues of powerful trading insights, backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So, don't miss out on this limited time offer. Head to pittnews.com and subscribe today. Empower yourself, enrich your trading strategies, and stay informed with Pitt News Magazine. Trading intelligence right at your fingertips. Okay, let's get back to Mr. Turner. Thanks for sticking with me.
All right. Thanks for sticking with Claire there. Let's go over and look at SMCI. SMCI. Is it flushing back down too? This thing's taken off. Super microcomputers. Now you can do this one. SMCI is Snow is the one that is SMCI, right? Am I correct on that? SMCI. I think Snow is SMCI. Super microcomputer. Super microcomputer is Snow. Super microcomputer. Yep. So Snow. This is the dividend version. So if you want to take advantage of super microcomputer, get into the dividend version, which is Snowflake, right here. Go put some money in there, and you'll get nice, juicy dividends every month on this chart right here on this market. Okay, so this baby's getting ready to rock and roll. It's coming across, got that nice little downtrend in there. We got a nice little channel in here. It's trying to break that channel today. I don't know. It's coming into that little, it's almost down there, isn't it? Let's bring that up, kind of more like that, isn't it? So it broke it today nicely. Got the blue lights underneath there. Yeah, we like it. Oh, it looks very bullish. It does look bullish. It came down a little bit further. See, it gave us that little spiky dakey do right there. This does look bullish. Look at all the green down here, all the accumulation right through here. This thing's turning. This looks good for a rally. You have to admit it. It looks good for a rally. Same thing here. See, we got that same pattern. Whoom. Whoom. That would be nice to see, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be nice to see? So put a little bit of money in SMCI if you want to see that thing go up, on SNO if you want to get the dividends. All right. So look at there. Nice breaking of the trend line. It's got the 2 drives down, which is exactly what we've been looking for. We don't want 3rd drive down. Whatever you do, Mr. Snow, no 3 drives down. All right, so let's go into SMCI and go down to, let's open up a 1-minute chart. There we go. There's your sign right there. Okay, so then we popped on the open. And away she goes. Let's turn on Heiken-Ashi. It's coming back down just like everything else, though. Let's draw that in there. 1 standard deviation. Right back into here. It's almost there. What was the other one we were looking at? I can't remember. Wasn't Apple, Ford. Oh, Ford. Ford's there. Ford's there. Ford is there. It made it back. Right down into the cone of probability. Okay, now where's it going to go? Come on, baby. It's in the neutral zone. Look at that bar. Holy cow. Whoop, 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 whoop. Must have been the news bar. Must have been the news bar. Well, we're waiting through the neutral zone. It's dropping a little bit more. Oh, get out of there. Auto scale. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Make a decision. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? So I am making a decision, Lan. I'm going down. Okay, well, not interested in playing with you going down. Let's see if there's not a better chart here. Let's go to 2-minute chart. Let's turn this one here. Let's just take that to 2 minutes. Heiken-Ashi. Whew. That was a fun bar right there. While we were watching Claire, that thing was ripping and snorting. Yeah, I thought I turned you off. What the? Okay, what you gonna do? Let's go look at the other ones. What else was there? I can't remember. Ones with 1-minute charts on them. Palantir. Oh, Palantir. Let's redraw our circle. We're down here bouncing off. Oh, right there. It said 38.2. It's coming over a little farther. This 1-minute chart. Let's put that on 2 minutes as well. Okay. Is it gonna? Oh, get your tool in there, Lan. You're gonna miss your opportunity. Yeah, it's bouncing off that 38.2 right now, and away she goes. Let's get some shares in there. Okay. Oh, I'm so slow. Daggone it. You're so slow, Lan. Now you're gonna have a little pullback. That's okay. How much did you put in? $10,000. $10,000. All right. You're so slow. Why didn't you just? Why'd you have to draw first? Well, I don't know. I kind of feel like I should. Okay, come on, bounce, buddy boy. Go, go, go. Let's give ourselves a nice little ABC pattern here. It didn't go all the way down into 50 or 61. So this might just be our first entry. Send it back. Might come back down in here. We'll see. We'll see. If we do, we'll have to put a little bit more in there. Put another 100 shares in down here. That would be painful. If it came all the way down there. Let's put them in at 50%. All right. While that one's ruminating, just come and see what else is going on. Keep an eye on that. What was the other one we were looking at? There. Oh, that's PLTY. PLTY. That's the income version. That's 5-minute chart on the income version. All right. SMCI. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that, baby. Let's turn on the ATR. ATR. Here she comes. Here she blows right back down into the cone of probability, just like we said it was going to do. I have to find another saying. I can't keep saying train on rails. It makes everybody drives them crazy. But I've been saying it for 40 years. You guys can deal with it. All right. Here it comes, down a little farther. Down a little farther on the SMCI. We're not getting what we're looking for here. Let's go down to, do we want to trade the SPY? On a 5-minute chart? Let's go to the 2-minute chart. There's your sign right there, 5 a.m. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. That was after hours yesterday. All right. Turn on your Heikenashi's land. Man, that little bar there went crazy, didn't it? What do you want to do? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Draw your Fibonacci ruler in there, Mr. Turner. You got to draw it up there. That's where that thing went to, I guess. Now we're back right dead center. 1 standard deviation. Turn on your ATR, Lan. Let's see your average true range. What's it set to? 1 and 1. All right, we're good there. Not seeing anything wanting to bounce here. Even Palantir is kind of, no one's excited about the market suddenly. No one's excited about the market suddenly. There it goes. There it goes. Just a little bit. Come on, S&P. We're going to trade the S&P. We go do it over on the... Stop it. Stop it. How come that king keeps popping on there? That just drives me batshit crazy. Nike. We have Nike on. Now, there's an example for you right there. Look at that. You're going to go long. Oh, no, we're not. There you go. There's an example. Coming across there. Nice big wedge pattern. Let's see what it does. Do you want to put some on SPY? I don't know. I don't know. We don't have a lot of money. I got a tiny little account over here. Okay. And then we'll put another, comes down to 50. We'll put 61.8. We'll put something down here. It actually drops back down there. I think it shouldn't. It should go. It should go like this. Up, down. That's an ugly bar. I hate that bar. Let's go off of this bar. I do it, Lan. All right, that bar. Bristol Myers. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. It's okay. We're going to be fine with Bristol Myers. We've been selling premium against it. We're not down 1900 by any stretch of the imagination. Although I did make a mistake, and so we're down farther than we want to be. But we'll go look at that one. That's our poor man's covered call. So Palantir's pulling back, not taking off like a rocket ship. Come on, rocket ship. Maybe what we'll do is we'll be a little bit more aggressive. Let's put this one up here. We'll put it at 38.2. If it comes down and touches that, well, if it comes down and touches that again and breaks it, it'll probably go down to 61.8. Come on, giddy up. There we go. Now we're making bank. We're up $17 with our $10,000 investment. Now you know why we like to trade the futures market. Tesla. Let's go down and see our 2-minute chart on Tesla. Whoo! Wow. There you go. Another sign. Look at that. So just because you get the 5 o'clock bell doesn't necessarily mean the thing's going to rally at 7:30. So just be careful. Make sure you play your patterns. I think we're going now. But can you get in there, land? Just jump in right now. No. Why? Because that's an ABC pattern to the downside. We need it to reverse. We need it to go up, come back, give us a little pullback, and then we can go long. You can't go long on this first one. This is an A1, remember? It's actually not an A1. It's an X1S A1. 25% chance that thing's going to go. That's going to be the bottom. We're going to go up from here. Hold on a second. We got to drink some water. Still dealing with the allergies down here, springtime allergies. So let's see. I'd like to see Tesla come down. That's a nice, sometimes we see that. It comes down and then just goes ram, just like that. And we like that sometimes. But we would much rather see it come down and give us a little ABC and then go. That gives us our opportunity to get in. All right. Sometimes V recoveries are no fun at all. Come on, give us a little bit of an opportunity in here to get in. To the long side. We don't want to see you go back flushing down here. Okay, we're making a little money on the spider. We're up $7. Palantir, we're up 89. We're rocking and rolling $90 with Palantir. Ford. Is it ready to get in Ford? You want to put a little in Ford right here at the 50% retracement. Came all the way back down to 61.8. It's trying to go. It's trying to go up. Little green light. Where's our yellow lights? ATR. Ooh, good thing we didn't put it in. Flushing. It's going to still pull back a little bit more. How about Palantir? Keep on going, Palantir. S&P. Oh, pooping out on us. Don't poop your pants here, Palantir. No poopy pants. Tesla is going to give us an opportunity. Oh, there we go. It's coming back with a lower high. Look at it turn here. Look at this. All this beautiful green here on the MACD. Way down deep. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. A lot of volatility in here. Sometimes these markets move so fast, you just can't keep up with them. Let's go over here to the 2-minute chart on NVIDIA. Like an ashy. Auto scale. There's our there's our morning 5 o'clock bell. And it flushed too, right at the 7:30. Just trying to scare everybody out of the market. Shake out the weak sisters and the shoestring salesman. right? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? When they come for you. Come on, come on. Oh, look, we're losing ground here on Palantir. Losing ground. It tried to close above. Did it close above? It did close above. But now it's pulling back. Let's see if we got trail entry price bars back. Let's see how that works for us. Okay, as soon as it makes a one price bar, first candle to break a new high. That's only 2,500. We got to do more than that. $25,000. Okay. Okay, first candle to break a new high. Uh-oh, I heard a bang. Heard a dinger. What's the ding? Oh, look at that. We just got filled. Stock, the S&P is flushing like a toilet. We picked it up on the bounce of the 61.8. See if that'll hold for us. Look at it flush. Palantir, we were up. Look at that. It's coming down. Everybody's angry. Now suddenly that headache's coming back and your back hurts really bad. What the heck's going on? How come my back hurts? Ugh, got that nagging headache again. What the heck is going on here? Come on, come on. Come on. Are we going to flush this thing all the way back down to the entry point? I can't believe it. Can't believe it. Can't believe we're not getting a nice rally out of this market today. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't. I said don't do it. You little bastard. All right, if we hit $100, we got to just pull the ripcord. Very disappointing. Very disappointing today. Right there, it's gonna. We'll just take it off. Ugh. Except for that's right where it'll probably turn around and go back up. Probably stop us out and then go back up. That's my trick. Where's 78.6? Fib line 78.6. Ooh, it's way down there. Let's go just under that. All right. Lanny. What happened? I just heard a ding. Who just got dinged out? We didn't have any stops. How come we're getting dings? Who dinged us? Palantir? Palantir didn't ding us. SPY? It didn't ding us. Who dinged us? Tesla. Oh, we weren't paying attention. There was our opportunity for enter Tesla. One candle. Why didn't I put an order in there? Daggone it. Had our little oh well. We'll look for another one right here. Maybe we'll get a little bit bigger one. All the rest of the market's pulling back. NVIDIA's not giving us anything either. Well, NVIDIA, we could trade. We could come in here. Let's put on 100 shares, and we'll drop that in there for the first candle to break a new high. So this thing's just in an ugly little downtrend. 2 drives down. Come on, it should be an ABC bottom to the upside, right? Here, here, here. Come on. I'm really disappointed. Wait, where was our other pending order? Not in Tesla. Spy, spy, spy. Stay up there, buddy. Stay up there. Snowy, snowy. These are both. Let's go do 2 minute on snow. It's pretty thinly traded. Let's go let's go look and see if there's not something else we should be looking at here. SMCI, Palantir. Not really interested in AMD. Intel either. NVIDIA. Did we look at NVIDIA? We've been looking at NVIDIA. Where's our NVIDIA? LMNOP, QRS, TOV, XYZ. Oh, we got pending on NVIDIA. What about over here? Warner Brothers. Tesla. That's all we got. That's all we got, guys. We don't have an Amazon. Oh, let's go look at Amazon. I think Amazon's already in here. Ooh, look at Amazon. 2 minutes on Amazon. I can ashy that thing. 5 o'clock. 7:30 right here. That was our 7:30 bell. Rally. Pull back. Bouncing off of the. It's this first candle to break a new high trade. It's a down arrow. I'm looking for a little flippity flop. Let's go in here with 100 shares. I think we missed it. Maybe not. There we go. We're in the 100 shares. What if it just keeps going down, Lan? Well, I think we'll just get out. Let it go down a little farther. We'll just put our stop right there. We haven't been using stops today. We've been doing that stupid Christmas tree thing, and it's usually burns your ass when it does that. SPY, though, that's not bad. It's coming back where we were down $100, darn near $100. So it's coming back. All right, here we go with Amazon. We took the first candle to break a new high on that little pullback. It's right at the opposite of that arrow, but I think it's going to be one of these little flippity flops. See that? You get a down arrow and then an up arrow. You get a down arrow and then an up arrow. I think we're going to get a down arrow and then an up arrow. I call them flippity flops. What do you want to call them? Up downs. Call them reversals. Oh, that's too professional. We don't like that. Let's do something fun. Flippity flops. All right. Stick with flippity flops. Okay. Well, we're all green now. Finally all green. Even the S&P is green. So we're back to green. So we got Amazon's making us bucks. NVIDIA's making us some buckaroos. Palantir's making us some serious buckaroos. Oh, S&P. Don't disappoint me, S&P. Don't disappoint me. Why are you trading the S&P over here in the stock market? If you're going to trade the S&P, just go do it over where the big boys play, over in the futures market. There we go, little S&P. Nicely done. Nicely done, S&P. I don't want to trade the S&P anymore. I'll put it at break even. If it keeps going, great. If it comes and stops us out, so what? Amazon. Oh, look at it go. Just like the blue horizon. What's that? What's that? Blue something. His rocket ship. What's his rocket ship? Blue something. Shot it up there with a whole bunch of ladies the other day. Everybody's making fun of that. I'm like, stop it. They put a whole bunch of ladies in a spaceship and shot them up into almost outer space. I mean, that's still scary. Like, oh, there's a bunch of ladies going up in the, let's make fun of it. What are you talking about? It's aviation. Who doesn't like aviation? I like to fly airplanes. It's scary to go up in an airplane. Hey, I'll take you up in my airplane. You guys want to go? No, scary. Oh, well, then why would you go up and wouldn't poo-poo in the Blue Origin? A couple of ladies get in a big old rocket ship and light a fire under it and blast them up into outer space, and everybody makes fun of them. Why the hell are you making fun of them? It's scary. I can't get people to go up in my airplane, let alone rocket ship to space. Goodness sakes. Would you do it? Oh, I'd do it. Blue Origin. There we go. That's the real name. You should be happy about that kind of stuff. Don't poo-poo that kind of stuff. Come on, people. We love that kind of stuff. It's like the kind of stuff we love. Look at this. Amazon. Come on, Amazon. Blue Origin. A rocket ship. Take off to the moon. Well, to near Earth orbit anyway. All right. NVIDIA is kicking ass for us. There we go. NVIDIA. The only thing we would really feel bad about NVIDIA is we didn't have more money in it, right? Didn't have more money. Palantir's making us some money. Spies making us some money. Oh my gosh, look, we didn't get out and we're glad. Test this high right here. We'll get out at the tie right there. Take our money off of it, break that high. Come on, test it. Just do it. Just touch it. Come on. It's candy. Candy. It's bait. Come on, buddy. Don't back off now. Don't. There you go. Oh, that felt so good. Didn't it feel good? Good. We're out of that rotten market. Okay, come in here where we got some real stuff happening. All right, Palantir. All right. Palantir's making money for us. Exit chart. Trade. Exit chart. Made some money. NVIDIA. Trade. Exit chart. Land, why you exited the chart? Because class is over. Trade. Exit chart. We made some money. All right. We're going to go over and we're going to do some more fun stuff. All right. That was fun, right? We had a good time. We made a little bit of money. And down she goes. All right. Now what are we going to do? Now we're going to go over. And we're going to go over and we're going to go to our My UBI. No, we're going to go to UBI. All right, here we go. Okay, so we had some winners. Winner. I don't want to say chicken dinner because that's what that other guy on the other channel says. Winner, chicken dinner. That's the other channel. So we can't use his saying. What's his name? I can't even remember his name, or I'd tell you. Winner, chicken dinner. He's pretty funny to watch trade. Okay, come on. Where's it at? Good deal. There you go, Bruce. I'm with you, Bruce. We're like brothers here, Bruce is. He's like a brother from another mother. And I thought it was awesome that they stuck those women in there and blew them into space. You know what? The only sad thing is that it came back down. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. They're nice ladies. They're very nice ladies. All right. What are we doing here? Man, you're not paying attention. You lost your train of thought. Okay. We got to go over. All right. Here's what we got to do. We got to go to here and we got to go to here and we got to go to TSLA. TSL. No, that's Tesla. We got to go to TSLY because we got money coming in on our dividends. All right. Oh, wait, it didn't show up. How come it didn't show up? Well, that's no fun. So they haven't reported it in here yet. Huh. Well, how am I going to do this? What did they pay out per share? I wonder if I can go look at my real money account. Hold on a second. How else could we figure it out? Let's go see if we can ask AI. What was the most recent TSLY dividend payout? I should have said per share. Recent payout. Oh, there it says right there. Dividend payout was per share, 68 cents per share. That's not right. Can't be only 65 cents per share. No way was it only 65 cents a share. No way. I gotta go look at mine. Hold on, I'll look at my real money account and we'll go see. Tesla. Tesla. Do you guys have it? Recent report, earnings, shares, people, history. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Oh, that's Tesla. I'm looking at Tesla. I got to go to Tesla. Sorry. John says it's 65 cents a share. That's what it's saying here, too. I don't believe it. It's got to be more than that. Because I got like $5,000. 5,358.20. How many shares do I have? All right, hold on. I'm going to take some notes and do some math. I hate it when I have to do math. All right, so we got to do $5,358. If this comes out to be 65 cents, I'm going to be really pissed. 5,358.20. How many shares do I have? I have 8,120.94 shares. So what's the math on that? Are you kidding me? That's all it was. Oh my hell, that's all it was. So disappointed. I'm so disappointed. All right. Well, it is what it is. Guess it is what it is. Well, let's look here. Tesla. See, it was $1. Most recent dividends was $1. TSLY. No, it wasn't. It was 46 cents. 57. Oh, so I guess we can't complain too much. I mean, last time it was 46 cents. This time it's 65 cents. 66 cents. Okay, so we're going to come over here and change this over to 66 cents. Okay, well, I guess it's up from what it was last month. I guess I can't complain too much. Let's go over and look and see where it was like back in here. It was like 70 cents, $1. See, I thought it was above $1. There's $1. There, look, we got a bonus on that one. Got a bonus on that one too. Where's our bonus? I got no bonuses. Look at all these. Every single one of them is giving us a bonus. 89 cents. And clear down here. 46 cents with no bonus. Well, 46 cents was last time. It's 65 cents, 66 cents this time. I guess can't complain too much. It's a little better. Okay. All right, let's do it. Do it. 60, let's see, 66 cents. All right, so we're right down that. And we're going to come in here. And we're going to come in here and we're going to go. How many shares are we holding of this thing? Tesla. Current shares holding 3,000. We got 3,500 Bruce says it's still a 60% annual rate. I guess we can't complain about that, right, Bruce? Better than Cash Valley Bank. $3,531.07 shares. Oh, that's not dollars, that's shares. Times, and we have 66 cents, 0.66. So we got 2,300. All right. All right. Can't complain too much. Come in here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right there. 420. And it came in on Monday, right? Or did it come in yesterday? Yeah, close enough. 22. Close enough. And it was $2,330.50. Well, that's much better than last month. Look at that, 1,600. We're back up. Oh, look, last time we had one that size was January. So I can't complain, I guess. Look at that. That's pretty good. 2,300 is coming back up. All right. Way to go, Tesla. Nicely done, Elon. All right. Now what do we do? Let's go see if there's another one. What's another one that we own? YMAG. Let's go look at YMAG. Did they give us the numbers over here? The little FinViz is falling behind. YMAG. Yeah, they don't have, look, they don't have the last two. This one, oh, or this one. Oh, no, that would just be this one. The next one's going to be this Friday. They don't have it either. YMAG, 9 cents. 9 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents. We're all the way down here to 9 cents. Let's go ask YMAG. I guess this was right this time. Way to go, AI system. What was IMAG? IMAG. Not YMAG, IMAG. YMAG. YMAG, right? Why Magnificent 7? I don't know. Why? Okay, so why Mag 7 funds? Fund. I don't want to know that. I want to know what the payout is. What was the most recent dividend on YMAG? Be more specific, Len. Searching for the YMAG dividend payout. Well, they give us a pretty chart. Now, where's the payout? The most recent dividend was 9.43 cents. Okay, 0.9 what? 0943. All right. Let's go see how many shares we have. We have 2,600. 2,630.19 times 0.093 equals $244 in the bank. All right, where do we go? Put that one in here, right here. 422. That was probably last, so it wasn't the 22nd. It was probably, I better do that one a little bit more close. That was the 18th. 2025, and it was $244.60. We get those every week, so that's like the whole. That's good money right there. Let's go put that in. So April, we're still in April, right? Are we in April still? What's this month for? April. Here, April. This one. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go sum. And we're going to sum up these four. Oh, three. We only have three so far. $754. That's not bad money for a guy like me. And then we got Microsoft, which is such a puny little amount. Did we get paid off on Microsoft? 117. We probably did. Or did we already do it? Microsoft, MSFO. Oh, we already got that one for April. And then Tesla equals Tesla, 2,300. So we got that one. We got NVIDIA left. NVIDIA. When does it come in? NVIDIA. Did we get paid NVIDIA yet? Start that on 3/24. Day 25, and it's day 23. I don't know if it's been paid out yet. NVIDIA hasn't come out yet. Has NVDY paid their April dividend yet? Has it been declared? Declared, spell it right, Liam. I put an I in it. If you can't spell a word more than 6 ways, you're narrow-minded. Why didn't it tell me? NVIDIA has declared and paid its April. Hey, it says it paid its April 25th dividend. The most recent dividend was 66 cents. It was the ex-dividend date was April 17th. Oh, baby, we got our money. This confirms April dividend has been declared and paid. Declared and paid. 06682 was our money. So how much did we get? NVIDIA. 290 shares. Not very many. 290 times 6.6682 equals $193. I'll take it. 93. Where's NVIDIA? Right here. So we got it on 4. And it said it declared it. Paid it on April. April didn't give me a date. It did. April 21st. 4/21/2025. Amount $193.77. Okay, $193.77. Let's put that in our little docket over here. Equals this one here. Enter. We've made $5,875 this month. That's $100 more than we made last month and $2,000 less than we made the month before. A little less than 2,000. And we'll get back up there. Markets are starting to play nice again. So far this year, January, February, March, April, we've made almost $21,000 in 3 months, 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months, $20,000. What's the average? Equals this divided by this. Oh, that's a percent. I don't want a percent. Equals this divided by 4. $5,225 a month. That's not bad for a $166,000 portfolio, my friends. You put $166,000 into these funds that we've been doing right here, and you will have approximately $5,000 a month. It's not bad. Not bad for a little weenie portfolio like this one. Kicking out $5,200 a month on a $166 in portfolio. All right, let's come in here and how much money do we have? We got $5,800. Let's see. We took $4,500 in February 19th and added it to Tesla. We took $1,000 and gave it back to Grandma. We took $3,250 to buy our Tesla Model Y. We took out $500 for Wi-Fi gift, win the game of life. Oh, that's for our Wi-Fi gift. And then $5,000 into NVIDIA. So now we got $5,800. We have to come down here and savings. We have any money? Let's see. Oh, we have to come over here a little bit farther, see what these are. We got a 4-wheeler. We want the $7,000. We haven't got that yet. We have a Harley motorcycle that's $20,000. We haven't got that yet. We got a Tesla Model Y. We had that cost us $500 a month. So we have to take $500 out. Minus 500 for monthly Tesla. It thinks it's a formula because I put minus in front of it. 500 out for monthly Tesla. All right, we have to do that every month because we did that. Okay, my Tesla Y Model 500. We have to do that every month. We took $3,200 out for the down payment. We got to give our wife some money. 500 for Wi-Fi. Now that's not Wi-Fi. I know you guys. You want to spend $500 on Wi-Fi? No, it's 500 for Wi-Fi. All right. Land's Pheasant Ranch. We went and hunted pheasants. I had my son come in. Arthur didn't come. Ben did. So I had to have Ben's hunting fee. But I also had to pay Ben's airline. Oh, right there. So it cost me $1,500 to bring my son in to go with me. That was worth it. All right. That was worth it. All right. What else we want to spend money on? You guys want to spend money on something? I don't need to spend it on anything because my Social Security is paying my bills, right? Is that how it works? You live off Social Security, and this is your play money. All right. So 166,000 gives us good retirement money, $5,000 a month. Can't complain about that. So that leaves us with some money. How much have we got left? 5,500. Did we spend any of it over here? Should we give some back to Grandma? Lands Pheasant, more Wifey, Lands Arthur, travel. Wait a second. Oh, our loan is up here to Grandma's up here. This is Grandma loan. Right, we borrowed $50,000 from Grandma. So let's give her $1,000. So we'll go another $1,000 for Grandma. Minus 1,000. That's money. That's money, buddy. That's money. Okay, so let's come over here and we're going to make a note that we gave 1,000 to Grandma. All right, so that leaves us with, let me do the math. So $5,875.70 minus 1,500. 1,000 to Grandma, 500 to the wifey. 1,500 equals. So that leaves us with 4,300. Right? We didn't spend any more money over here. Just the Tesla Model 5. We did that one. Okay, we got nothing else. Okay, we'll just put that over here. We'll put in here monthly. Monthly out. Tesla. Minus 500. All right, there you go, guys. That's a dollar sign there. Okay. So that leaves us, if we take 1,000 out for Grandma and 500, that leaves us with 4,300. So we're going to put in $4,375.70. And we're going to put it into what? What are we going to go put $4,000 into? What have we got up here? We have a holdings of, up higher. We have YMAG. We have NVIDIA. We have Microsoft. I don't know why we put it in Microsoft. Somebody said to. Tesla. Misty. You know what I want to put something in? I want to put it in Palantir. These are the Magnificent Seven, but we're never going to invest in Facebook. Why? Because, I have a thing against Facebook. We're never going to put anything in Facebook. Okay, so let's go PLTY. PLTY. Current price is 63. Most recent dividend, PLTY. PLTY. Most recent dividend was $5.32, 5.326. 5.326. 5.326. 5.326. Okay. Dividend yield is 100%. Pays monthly on what day? I think it was like the 27th, day 27. Of course, those move, so it's just a guess. And we're going to put in here, we're going to say our first day is 04/23/2025. And we're going to put in $4,375.70 into Palantir. Did we check our Misty? We must have. We did. Misty gave us $2,587. All right, so we're going to put $4,000 into, not very much, but it's getting there. We're building up our positions, right? Payments received. We haven't received any. If we go in there and buy it, how much is it trading for today? It's trading for $63.25. So, oh, come on, man. Be more accurate. $64.10. Okay. 64.10. Oh, no, wait. We got to do it the other way around. How much money are we investing? 64.08. So, and we're going to invest. Come on. Give it back to me. 4,375. 4,375.7 divided by 64.08. So that gives us 68 shares. Not a lot, I know, but that's okay. We're getting started. 68. And cost per share was 64.08. 64.08. 68 shares for 64.08. Well, that kind of seems odd. Is that the way that turned out? Yes, it is. I think I did it right. You guys can check me if I did it wrong. Okay, so we have $4,345 in the it says 75. Close enough. It just moved. All right, so that's not Facebook. This is going to be PLTY. All right, different total profit loss down $29. Okay, well, we're good then. That's how that worked. So we got a PLTY in here. So we're going to take this one and go PLTY, UBI. We haven't got any yet. So when does it pay out? It pays out in a couple. It pays out like PLTY, PLTY, PLT, PLTY. It pays out on the 27th, and it's the 23rd. Do you think we'll make it? Let's go ask. What's the ex-dividend? Dividend. Ex-dividend. Maybe we don't have, I don't know. Ex-dividend date for PLTY. What's the ex-dividend date for PLTY? The ex-dividend date PLTY is April 24th. That's tomorrow. Get your monies in there, boys, because tomorrow they're going to have the ex-dividend date. They're going to declare, and then if you put it in after that, you don't get it for another month. So get your money in there. Get her in there, and we're going to get paid out on this thing on the 27th. All right, so we'll come back and check it out and see how much money we made on the 27th. Has it been declared? Has PLTY declared their dividend rate for this month? How much is going to be? How much is going to be? Yes, they have declared it. How much? $5.33 per share. 5.30. That's more than last time by a penny. A penny more. 5.33. So on Palantir, we have how many shares? We have, what did we say? No, I forgot. 68 shares times 5.33 equals, we're going to get $363 added to our piggy banky here. Can't complain about that, guys. Now, don't complain about another $363 on a little $4,000 investment. That is, my friends, a good investment. PLTY. That's going to come in at, it's already been declared. Should we put it in? No. We have to wait. We have to wait. It's like Christmas. You have to wait. Let's move these down. All right. You have to wait. You have to wait. It's like Christmas. You can't open your presents early. Okay, but we know we're going to get about $363 added to that. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Don't forget the software we use is Track and Trade. Track and Trade is the software we use when we do our day trading in the stock market or the futures market. You can get your copy at trackandtrade.com. Go do that so you can come along and join with us and do what we do, because what we do is what we do, and what we do is fun. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I don't even have a Sunday school lesson for you. We ran over time, so we will just cut it short here. If you didn't have fun, give me a subscribe. Give me a little thumbs up. If you had fun, give me a little subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And we will catch you guys again tomorrow for the afternoon session where we'll do a little day trading in the futures market. Come and join me, and we will have fun doing that. All right. All right. See you tomorrow.